Hello, good morning once again. It's Richard Dupey here. Today is Lucky Tuesday, and our yesterday our Monday special plan. It's only the double seven that play. The single five they play single six. I don't know what the people are trying to do. I don't know what they want to do to me. How can you beat that single five to single six yesterday? It's serious, but today also, like, I wanted to do the picking, but it's raining in the area. It's raining seriously, so I had to run home to upload the video, or to make the video to upload. So because of that, I left one of the papers in the container, and then one of the plans that I had to show is not on it, but I will show you guys. But I'm picking one of the events in the Friday Bonanza paper. The plan is in Lucky Tuesday paper itself and also in the Friday paper. So the confirmations are in the Lucky Tuesday paper itself. So here is one of them. In the year 2022, you can see 19 at event 783. 19 play 5 weeks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 1931 will play. The same time you can stand there. 1931 play. Then you count 5 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 19 came back to play. But those are the numbers. So if you get to current 2, you see the same thing. So now moving to event 681 in the year 2020. In the year 2020, at event 681, you can see the 19 over there. Then 4 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the actual key. The 2768. This is the actual key. So 2768. So as the 2768 play last week, following week, the 19 will have to play as one of the serious bankers. This event is also good to play because of this double seven that repeated, and also the counter that repeated 32. It's supposed to have played the 31 over here with the 19, but I played 32 because it's the 32 that play with the 19 at the top here. So you can see the 32 and then the 19 came back to play. So you see the 32's counter also on the event. So this event is also good to PERM. The 19 coming back as a full banker, and then he joined the 32. So 2 numbers from that event to come and play with the numbers. So you can see 32, 19. So now that is the second confirmation. Now let's go to the main confirmation before the actual plan, the main plan that I'm using in the Friday Bonanza paper. So this one is also still in the Lucky Tuesday paper. You can see at event 590, 31 play in machine. 31 play at machine. Then you count from the 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks down. Then you can see the 2768, the one that I was talking about. 2768. So following week, you will see the 31 come back to play with the 19. 31 come back to play with the 19. Now watch something. You see, when I was showing this particular one, that the 19 came back from here to play, you see that the 19 move it 32. The 19 move it 32 to come and play over here. The reason why I was saying that it's supposed to, even though this event is good, it's supposed to play 31 this time around. Because you can see here also, the 32 is on the event. Here, 2 numbers are on the event. I will get there and then you will know the 2 numbers that I'm talking about. Is the 32 double 8. But you can see 32 on the event over here. If you are going according to those plans, you will notice that 1, 2, 3, 4, that the 2768 play is supposed to have played the 32 and then the 19 to just confirm the third number. But for that, because of this 31, that is why it came back. The 31 come back to play with the 19. So it's not the 32 that comes back to play with the 19. Is the 31 that back to play with the 19. So on the other event is the 32, but here you can see is the 31 itself. So if you can go by it, you can say 32 play 1 2 3 4, then 2768 to play, then 3119 will play. Here also 32 play 1 2 3 4, 2768, then following week the 19 play with the 32. But now let's go to the main event. The main event that I'm using for Lucky Tuesday today. Let's go for it, and then you see how it is. It's in Friday Bonanza paper. Here is it. At event in the year 2022, starting at event 742, event 742. You can first see 43 play. 3 weeks down from that 43, 1 2 3. 50 will play at first position. So as the 50 play, 3 weeks down from that 50, 1 2 3. Then you see 31. You see that 31 play over here. 31 also play with double 7. 31 also play with double 7. But 4 weeks down from that 31, 1 2 3 4. Then you can see 2768, the main key. 2768. You notice that this 2768, both of them are at position, the real position that is supposed to play before the number will play. So you can see the 31 coming back to play with 19. So you will see this 43 counter, that is 83. It's also the key of the 31, the string key of the 31. So going over it again, I said at event 742, 43 play in machine. 3 weeks down from that 43, 1 2 3. 50 will play. So as 50 play, 50 play at position. Then 3 weeks down from that 50, 1 2 3. Then you see 31 also playing over there. So as the 31 play, 4 weeks down from that 31, 1 2 3 4. Then the 2768 will play at position. So following week, the 31 will come back to play with the key, and then with the 19. So 31 19 double 8, 31 19 double 8. Those are the 3 numbers that I'm using for Lucky Tuesday today. Those are the 3 numbers. So if we come to current, the Lucky Tuesday itself, we will see at event 805, 43 play, 3 weeks down from that 43, 1 2 3. Then you can see 50 at first position. So counting 50 from that position, 1 2 3, 3 weeks down from the 50, 3 weeks down. Then you can see the 31 here. You can see it playing with 19. The 31 play with 19. So 4 weeks down from that 19, 1 2 3 4. Then you will see the 2768 playing at position. So following week, the 31 will have to come back as a full banker to play with the 19, also with the 43 counter, that is double 8. That is the key of the 31. So 31 will come back, play with it key. Then the then the 43 will also counter to double 8 to play with them, to give us the 3 numbers. That is 19, 31, and then 19, 31, and double 8. Those are the 3 numbers. So it's the one in the Friday Bonanza paper that I'm using. This is the event. The numbers on the event are this: event 750 in Friday Bonanza paper, and the numbers on the event are 10, 21, 31, 19, and then double 8. I'm going over it again. I say event 750, event 750. The numbers on the event are 10, 21, 31, 19, and then double 8. Those are the 5 numbers that I'm using for Lucky Tuesday today. Talking about the pickings that I told you that I wanted to do before I left one of the paper whilst rushing in the house, in the container. These like the 5 numbers that I wanted to use. These are the 3 numbers, and these are the other 2 that I'm adding to them. The 1875, the 1875. That is what I wanted to add, but for some people's sake, some people who usually like some of the plans that I leave behind, that before you see it will play. That is the 18. It's also too short on its own. The 1875 is a too short on its own. The same thing happened in National and happened in VAG before. That 62 set, the same thing that this plan set. See, 62, you play 3 times. So the 18 that I play supposed to go 3 times. The 18 that I play supposed to go 3 times. So you can see one is in the Lucky Tuesday itself. This is the one that I should have used to confirm the other one that I saw, but I can't find it. That is the problem. But I'm telling you guys, because you are my family, I'm telling you guys what it is before. So here is the plan, the one in the Lucky Tuesday paper itself. You play 40, following week 18, following week the 18 repeat and play with 27, then following week the 18 will repeat again and play with 75. Whenever 68 play, you usually play 58. We all know. Those who shout thinking I don't know what I'm doing, I know a lot about Lotto, but just that you can post everything. That is the main reason why sometimes the plan will play and then it will hurt us very much. I know nobody remembered Saturday that 65 jump for the 3rd time. I know nobody remembered that I told you if 26 play with the 26 play with 65, the 65 usually jumps, and the old plans that I've been showing. So here is what I was talking about. So that is why you can see me marking the 3 numbers on the event. So even if you are going up 18 play, following week 18 27 repeat, 18 repeat to play with 27, you will still see the 18 with 58 over there. The same thing, the 18 with 58. That's why I marked this 3 to choose this 1875 out of it. But I didn't see the paper, so that's why I left those plans behind, and I'm using this particular event. So this is the event that I'm using, the 10, 21, 31, 19, and then 88. Thank you very much for being here, and bye for now.